Hello and welcome to Timmys10 again for an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels. We're nearing the end of the year, and today we have scored the Supercharged. Cool looking ride. It's from the Hot Wheels Drag Strip Series number 5 of 10 and number 211 of 250 on the year. It says it has a special feature. See the back for details. Oh, it's got that thing right there that flips up and down. Kind of a boring special feature, but it does have it. And it's supposed to make it go faster or slower. Get dragged into some racing fun with these off-the-track speedsters. Supercharged. Let's get it open, see how cool it is. Oh, we got to break it in the bubble here. And that does happen. Sometimes the cool backing of the car backs right through the plastic. Happens in shipping. It's a sharp looking car. Snaps up or it opens. So anything yellow is obviously plastic. The red you're looking at is, with all the tampos all over it, that is all metal. And we have plastic bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. Does not open up. This casting used to lift up like a funny car. We just opened up another one. I was looking around on the table, like it was kind of not too long ago. Different color. How's it roll? Very straight. Woo! That's definitely straight. That was frontwards, this straight backwards. A little better. And backwards, squeezing the ball. I know my arm's in your way right now. Boom! Not really cool for my racquetball track. Ooh, a little bit of a drifter. It's got that heavy back, so it gives it a cool drift. Well, not a bad car. Not a great drifter, not really cool for my track either. Only thing left to do is race it. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmys10 again. And until next time, T10 out.